you know, right before I do my videos, you'd never believe this, but I go through and I'm like, okay, I need this, I need that, I need that. I should have thought this part through, because now I look like I don't know what I'm doing. I don't. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And tonight I want to show you my new nightly routine, because you know, every now and then you have to kind of switch things up. You learn about new products, so you start incorporating them into your routine. And so I just want to give you an updated nightly routine that I've been doing lately. Now, well, first thing I have to do is just tie back this mane of hair. So one thing remains the same, my little old headband here. So I'm just gonna get my hair out of the way, but I'm gonna try and make it look semi-cute for this video. Okay. So, the reason why I really wanted to do this video is because this first product that I'm gonna show you, I'm so excited about it. So, let me, actually, I washed my hands off camera, but okay, before I start it, let me just wash my hands. I don't want anybody to say how I start my skincare routine with my dirty hand then. Okay. So, this balm. Woo. This is a Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. So I remember the last time I was doing my routine, I saw a few comments where people were saying that the makeup wipes, they're not good. So I started doing a little research, and you are right. So the makeup wipes kind of just push the makeup all over your face, or they can push your makeup into your pores. Now, with this cleansing balm, it's oil-based. So what it does is it will lift the makeup off. And I've actually been doing the double cleansing method. So a double cleanse is exactly that. You're going to clean your face twice. So whether it is that you want to use an oil-based cleanser twice, or you want to use an oil-based then water-based cleanser, or water-based cleanser twice, whatever it may be, you're using two methods, or you're dual cleansing to try and lift off as much of the dirt, the oil, and just the reapplication of sunblock throughout the day. You're doing a double cleanse. So even when I don't wear makeup, I do a double cleanse, just simply because I do reapply my sunblock throughout the day. So I'm just gonna put a nice amount here, and I'm just gonna massage this into my face. Now, this cleansing balm came with it came with a wash rag to help you. Oh wait, hold on, I have eye makeup on. To help you kind of just wipe the balm off. And I was using it, and I was like, you know, okay, this is great and all that, but I didn't really like how it looked when I washed out the wash rag and it was just hanging up in the bath. And then sometimes the wash rag didn't match my towels. I'm all into aesthetics, if you didn't realize, by the way. So I'm just using my cleansing balm, releasing all of the mascara, all of the, okay, yes, I'm rough, leave me alone. And now how you know that your balm is working wonders is you're gonna add a little bit of water. And if your cleansing balm does this white milky thing, you know it's working, because what it's doing, it's just emulsifying. See that? Oh dear God, I look awful. So this is now where they want you to take the rag that came with it. But what I'm gonna do, this is so messy, I usually do this in the shower. I'm just going to go over the sink and wash this off. This is so messy. Now, why I even spoke about the wash rag is because I ditched the wash rag and got like a pack of these disposable sponges. Anyway, my point about the wash rag and why I don't really like it was because it doesn't match with my towel set. That's not a good enough reason. Anyway, I got these little disposable sponges. They came in like a pack of 100, and they were just dehydrated and flat. I just wet it a little bit. And then just kind of wipe off any excess of the cleansing balm. Go gently under my eyes. corners of my nose here, under the neck, and the ears. Now, for first cleanse, that's pretty good. So that's my first cleanse in the double cleanse with the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. All right. Now, as I said, I do a double cleansing method. So my second cleanse, okay, don't judge me. So I also saw all the comments when I ditched my Clarisonic for the silicone brush. And you know what? I want to say I did miss my Clarisonic. So right now I'm using my Clarisonic and I switched my brush head and I try when I use it in the night, I only use it at the night. In the morning, what I'll do is I'll leave it on the windowsill just so that the brushes can kind of dry out, because that was a problem I was having, that the brushes kind of just say moisty. All right, my second cleanse now is with my Vivant skincare. Now this one I've changed up. It's still by Vivant, but it's a Mandelic Acid 3-in-1 wash. And I must tell you, let me tell you what I missed about the Clarisonic. Oops, not when it does that. When it just suds up, as it doesn't sud as I'm speaking so highly of it. I just love when soaps and shampoos and laundry detergents, I like when they sud up. I just like it. I feel like it's working. So, yeah, as I was saying, this is my second cleanse and my double cleanse, and I just feel like doing this with the Clarisonic adds like a light exfoliation into my routine. And it's great to exfoliate because you get off those layers of dead skin cells that kind of just make your skin look dry and ashy. I'm gonna rinse. Now, why my tongue is all the way over there, I don't know. Oh.
Didn't see anything.
Okay, now we're here for the interesting part. So, as you know, I really like to shave my face. I really enjoy shaving my face. I like how it looks. I feel like my makeup goes on a lot smoother. And also, it's been proven that whatever you're gonna follow up now, whichever creams you're gonna use for your nighttime treatment or in the day or anything like that, it will get more into the pores, it will more reach down into the epidermis and do what it's supposed to do. It doesn't make any sense. You buy all of these expensive night creams or all of these amazing sunblocks and they can't get into the skin to work and to do what they're supposed to do. So, shave your face. So I've been using the little shaving things that you buy at the counter at the beauty supply store. But lately, I've actually been on YouTube watching another young lady and she's been using this. This is a DermaFlash, so I'm gonna try it out today. This is an exfoliation and peach fuzz removal device. So remember last time I was talking to you about all those little hairs on the face that really don't need to be there. Like, why do you have hair on your face? You're a girl. Like, what are you doing with a mustache? Like, really? Gross. And if you're a makeup artist or if you're somebody who wears makeup, shave your face and you'll find that the application, like the look of the makeup is gonna look so much different. And your face is going to feel amazing. Your skin is gonna be so, woo. Okay, so this is my face now. This is the device. Now I did have a bit of a problem with this company because I actually ordered this quite some time ago. I've been dying to do this video because I ordered this some months ago and weeks ago, and this came. And I was like, I called him and I was like, hello, I didn't pay $140 for this. Like, what is this? What does this, is this shavy face? Anyway, without any question, they sent the actual wand here. One of the things that I don't like about this is you can only use one blade once. Maybe I should have read the directions. How the hell do you do this? Okay. So you're gonna watch it. I'm telling you how to do it and I don't even know. Okay, here we go. Jeez you. So I'm going to, I charged it up. I have in my blade. Okay. So I'm going to just do the same thing. Oh my. Oh my gosh, that is disgusting. Wow, and I haven't shaved my face in a long time, so it's like high enough. Ew. Oh, that is, I'm afraid to turn it off because I'm afraid that it will like. So I'm just using one hand to pull the skin taut. This is disgusting. No, I'm gonna try to save as much of it on a tissue as possible because I'm black. No, okay, maybe I could do it on. Maybe I could. What the hell do you? This is disgusting. What the hell is that? I have a bird. I have a bird. I really hope I can use this razor, this like blade in here again. I'm using this dry just because I don't think this can manage water. So when I was using my little single blade before and I was wetting my skin, that was to get some glide. But this here, using dry, it actually comes with a moisturizer and a cleanser, but dude, can you see that? Like, what the actual hell? And you can see it's like mixed with hair and skin. No, people, can you see that? What the hell? Look at that. It's like mixed with hair and skin. This is a good so anything I put on my skin, no. Oh my gosh, no way. Oh, this is amazing. I love this thing. I think I'm gonna give everybody I know, but my friends, my really nice, good friends that I love, I'm gonna give this them for Christmas. I'm like, oh my God, Jodi, shave your face? It's going to grow back thicker. No, actually, how? Your pore does not get bigger or smaller. Your pore does not expand. As a matter of fact, why do people think that when you put cold things or hot things that your pore is going to contract or expand? The pore does not have a muscle, so it can't. Anyway, we won't get into that. But also, your hair is your hair. Like, it's a strand of hair, and it's not gonna it can't grow any thicker or any thinner. It can maybe stop growing on a whole, but by you shaving, it's not gonna make your hair grow back thicker. As I explained in my last video, what can happen is the hair will now, because you're shaving, will now be blunt. So it could look darker because it's not at a point, if that makes any sense. Your hair's not gonna grow back any thicker. All right, we are getting to the place where you need to be very careful because I would hate, you know what, let me, you just like shape up your brows at the top there. I really like this. I really, really like this. And it's like, the blade is just vibrating a little. Actually, it's vibrating quite a bit. I wonder, all right, when I'm ready to turn it off, I will see if it has different speeds. I guess the blade is just vibrating to add that little shake, so you get the exfoliation factor. I don't have hair on my arm. And I still see in some places where they have shaved off the hair. I really like this. I think I'm finished. Let's get over here some more. Alright, let me see. What was this button? Oh, this sign means eject. Alright, I think I'm done. Let me just make sure. See, so in the morning, my husband and I can like come in the mirror and shave together. Where's the power button? Okay, that's really cool. So before I store it, I would just like clean this blade and hope that I don't want to press the turn on button again, because I did see in one of the reviews where one of them, I think this is the second version, I don't even know. So I don't want to turn it on and then I can't use this blade again, but I would just use a little alcohol and clean the blade. It comes with this charging port here. Oh! I have to push out the blade to put it on the charging port. And then if I shove out the blade, I can't get it back on. But you know what? I'm gonna figure out how to do this because I'm not pay blade poor thing. Anyway, ooh. So that's the shaving on my face. It feels so smooth. So what I'm going to do now, this may sting. I'm just going to put a toner. Of late, I've been using this one. This is a PCA Skin Hydrating Toner. I'm not sure why. I was searching toners on Amazon and this one came up with quite a few stars. It had good reviews. I think a toner is great because it helps to rebalance the pH of the skin after you've done so many things to it. And it can help to rebalance the skin. Especially if you have like a little glycolic in there, it helps with like, you know, acne and bumps. And then this is, but my face is dirty. What the heck? And then that too, like it can take off any excess makeup and stuff like that. I don't understand what is happening here. Why does this look so dirty? Gross. No, I'm not gonna do that to myself. Really gross. I just think that it's disgusting. Alright, so after I use my toner, then another thing that I got the other day, my sister recommended, she's been doing a lot of overnight masks. So I got this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So I put it on and I sleep in it. So it has all that time in the night to just really get into the skin, and I've just shaved my face, so I don't really want to put anything on it that's too aggravating. For example, to go to bed, I usually put on like a retinol cream, and I just feel like maybe, especially for the first time using this DermaFlash, I just kind of want to give my skin a break. So I'm going to go in with my Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and I've used this before and it was really, really nice. And even though I move around a lot when I sleep, when I was bathing the next morning, I could feel that I was washing it off. So one thing I'm going to do a little bit differently is with my application. Now I did see where a young lady used her, what is something name again? Derma Roller? Is this a Derma Roller? How do I not remember what this is called? No, this is a Jade Roller. Okay, I did see where she used her Jade Roller to apply her mask, and I thought that was such a good idea. Also, I don't like the idea of scooping my finger in this. Oh, that's why it came with a spatula. Where did I put the spatula? All right, anyway, I'm gonna use my Jade Roller, but that's kind of the same thing then if I'm not sticking my finger in there. You know, right before I do my videos, you'd never believe this, but I go through and I'm like, okay, I need this, I need that, I need that. I should have thought this part through, because now I look like I don't know what I'm doing. I don't. This feels so good. So something else that I have is a cosmetic fridge. You can find masks that are cheaper. You can find, also my mom, she went and bought a Jade Roller after she watched my first video for my nighttime routine. And you can find Jade Rollers for like really cheap. You don't have to, I went to and got this at Sephora and it was really overpriced and very unnecessary. They all do the same thing. I keep it in my cosmetic fridge. So what you can do is you can get a cheaper sleeping mask, you can get a cheaper Jade Roller, and what I would suggest you do is spend the money on a cosmetic fridge. It's just a little mini fridge that well, I have it upstairs, and I just keep all of my face bangarang in there. So all of my like masks and eye creams, my Jade Roller. If you have puffy eyes, like if you wake up with puffy eyes from just the lymphatic fluid swelling up and collecting under your eye, if you wake up and use your Jade Roller under your eye like this and just massage, you will see the puffiness go down right before your eyes. I think this is good. This is real good, real good. It just feels so nice. So you could also keep your Jade Roller in the regular fridge. I just don't like to know that people could be touching my stuff. I'm very particular. And then I don't want to open the door like somebody come to my house for a drink and then they're like, what is this? And they just see like a charcoal mask or Jade Roller, and they use it to like, you know, I don't know. Ta-da! And to finish up, no, I sometimes use an eye cream, but before I bought like an overpriced eye cream. That makes absolutely no sense because you don't need to spend that much money on an eye cream because you could just bring your face lotion. Anyway, I'm just copying what the Instagrammer that I listen to all the time, Cassandra. I'm just copying what she says. So you just buy your eye cream and use your eye cream. I love greasing down my eyes. I just find that it helps with the crow's feet, and I like greasing down myself. So I either use like a shea butter or I use that papaya thing in the red tub. And for the past couple of years, I've been using this Egyptian Magic. And what I will do is rub under here. Kind of trying to not mix up the mask. And then right before I go to bed, I have my lash serum that I'll put on. And the lash serum, which actually really has been working. I need to post some before and after pictures. This is my lash serum, and this lasts so long. This is True Lash, and I've been using that for what, 3 months now, and I definitely see a difference. Like, it's crazy when I put on my makeup. Oh, by the way, how I know it works is the other day I had to like cut my eyelashes, the ones closer to in here by my corner. I had to cut them. They were getting really too long. All right, guys, and that is my new nightly routine with my DermaFlash. I really like this. I definitely think I'm gonna buy one for Tracy. Guys, I definitely feel like you should shave your face. And if you don't want to get a DermaFlash, or wear the feelings, or if you don't want to invest in a DermaFlash just yet because you're not sure if you like shaving your face, then you can just get one of these little things that you pick up the beauty store right at the counter, and you can get them in like a pack of 20 on Amazon, and you just use it and throw it away, just really cheapy. And once you become a face shaving professional, get yourself a DermaFlash. I really enjoyed using this. I'm gonna see how long this one blade lasts, because I don't want to like rack up all of these costs having to dispose of the blade each time. So anyway, that's it. I'm ready for bed with my watermelon glow mask. It smells really nice and it's very hydrating. So with all of that shaving and scrubbing and rubbing, I'm now hydrating the face, and that's it for this evening. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. I'm gonna put a link in the description to all the products I used here this evening. Thank you so much for all of your feedback. Let me know if I'm doing something wrong, if I should add something into my routine, or what you really loved about my new routine. And let me know, do you shave your face? You should. Where did I reach from? Oh yeah, please remember to subscribe, drop a comment, and like the video. I appreciate you all so much, and thanks for watching. This is Jodi. Bye.